Hello everyone. Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel Naukri Samachar. So guys, today I will be explaining you about this SBI clerk recruitment notification which is out for 13,735 junior associate vacancies. So how you can apply and what are the eligibility criteria, syllabus and everything will be covered in this video. So I hope you will watch the video till the end, and if you are watching the video first time in this channel, so you guys can subscribe this channel because this channel always brings details about the numerous vacancies that is released. So I hope this channel will definitely give you very significant news. So let's start. The State Bank of India has announced the recruitment for the position of junior associate in the clerical cadre of for 2025-24. A total of 13,735 vacancies are available across various categories. This recruitment offers a great opportunity for individuals with a graduation degree to join SBI as clerks. The selection process includes a preliminary exam, a main exam, and a language proficiency test with final selection based on performance in these stages. Eligible candidates can apply online form December 17, 2024 to January 7, 2025. So, the State Bank of India has released a notification for the recruitment of junior associates. So I have given you the summary. These vacancies are of the post junior associate. Vacancies are all over India, 13,735. And if we talk about the pay scale, it will be 19,900 to 14,000 is 47,920 basic pay along with other allowances as per bank norms. So this is the breakup of the various all India vacancy breakup for the SBI clerk. So you all can see, like Ahmedabad, vacancies are for Amravati, Bangalore, Bhopal, Bhubaneswar, Chandigarh or New Delhi. Then Chandigarh, Chennai, Hyderabad, Jaipur, Kolkata, Lucknow, Maharashtra, Mumbai Metro, New Delhi, Northern Eastern, Patna, Thiruvananthapuram. So I have given you the breakup. So if we talk about the further eligibility criteria, the State Bank of India has released the recruitment notification for the position. If we talk about the eligibility criteria, so minimum age is 20 years and maximum is 28 years. If you have a graduation in any discipline degree, you can apply. So the application fee for the SBI Junior Associate recruitment is 750 for candidates belonging to the General, OBC and EWS categories. However, candidates from the SC, ST, PWD and ESM categories are exempt from paying the application fee. The selection process for the SBI Junior Associate includes a preliminary exam, a main examination and a language proficiency test. The preliminary examination will be an objective type test of 100 marks covering English language, numerical ability and reasoning ability. The main exam will be an objective test of 200 marks which will include sections on general or financial awareness, English, general English, quantitative aptitude and reasoning ability with computer aptitude. If we talk about the application process, so candidates interested in applying for the SBI Junior Associate recruitment must visit the official website of SBI and register online. After registration, applicants need to fill out the application form, upload the required documents such as photograph, signature, left thumb impression, handwritten declaration, and pay the application fee online. After the completion, the application candidates should submit the form and take a printout for future references. So, starting date is December 17. Last date to apply is January 7. Preliminary exam tentative date will be released, I think it will be around January 2025. Main exams will be conducted during February 2025. So, there, what is the application fee? I've already covered like 750. And there are certain questions that will be clearing, that I will be clearing. What is the age limit? 20 to 28 years as of 1st April 2024. Can a finals year students apply for the SBI Junior Associate post? Yes, final year students can apply provisionally. However, they must submit proof of passing their graduation by December 31st, 2024. What is the selection process for SBI Junior Associate? The selection process includes preliminary, mains, and a language proficiency test. How can I apply for SBI Junior post? You can visit the official website and fill the registration online, submit the fee, and you will pay the application fee and submit the form. So in this way you can apply for the SBI Junior Associate post. So that's all in this vacancy, and I hope I have cleared all your queries and doubts, and definitely all the concepts will be absolutely clear. So that's all in this part of the video, guys. I hope I will bring many more interesting videos for you people. So stay tuned, and do watch my all videos. Thank you so much, and all the best for your coming exams.